I'll get a little video here. That is not a hole. Pretty sure that's required to be a vent of some nature. That is solid. That shit is solid. Solid chunks. Okay, so that's one thing. I don't know, I can't really see down in there too much. Positive crankcase ventilation. It's probably also clogged. Solid. What do you got there? Yeah, this here, man, that's something else. Of course, that is in procession to the EGR valve, which is moist again, damp, like watery sludge. Look at that, yum. So that's where we're at. Got it pulled off here. That chunky clog there. Yeah. Yep. Good look at that. That's going to the EGR. And what's amazing to me is this is still somehow managing to get moisture and slime in it. Now, how's it doing that? When this is solid. I drilled that out with a drill bit, and I still can't even get a file in there. She is a solid in there. That's some spicy meatball. See that there? Boom. It's right there. Can't even get the whole file through. Okay, I got this kind of cleaned up. I just steel wooled these off, and that's it. I mean, they're supposed to be clean and dry. I got new gaskets. They're steel and rubber. This guy, I got a new gasket for here. So that one's also cleaned up a little bit, and I sanded out the inside here. I mean, obviously I'm not going to get monster, horsepower increases, but it's just a little cleaner. I'll get some air smoother through there, and I didn't clean it out terribly great. I didn't just hose it with brake cleaner or anything like that. I'm not going to waste that much. It's just not great for the environment. So here, this is not that cleaned up, and I'm going to tell you why, because I don't have a new gasket for it. And as a general rule, if you don't have a new gasket, you don't want to clean that surface off. You want it to be just as lumpy as it was when you took it apart, and just put some light oil on there. That's your best bet of getting that to seal up without a new gasket. That's all I have to take off to get at this, so that's gone out of there. Air tube, EGR, the passage is cleaned out, and this stuff is dropped back here. Here's the new PCV valve. That's where it's hiding, and it's right under there. There's pretty much no getting at that without taking off this plenum. Back in here somewhere, maybe a knock sensor. I don't know. I haven't had time to track it down. But this what you got going on back here. Once you get these attached again, you're down in there. A few things disconnected, but should go right back together. Here's the old gasket, really thick. Replacing it with these much skinnier, older, rustier ones. So we'll see how that works. We got her all torqued down, put back together, plugged in, everywhere, clamped on. We got heel grommet going on there, and we got a hose adapter here. Trim. There we go. Oh, better. Let's see if it goes.